Hey everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this advanced Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a hyperlink index in Microsoft Excel. Okay, or you can say we are going to create a clickable table of content in Microsoft Excel. Let me clear the situation here. I have a workbook with 10 worksheets. You might have hundreds of worksheets. So let's focus on this 10 worksheet. And I want to create links of all those worksheets in this column in column A, and if I click one of the link it should redirect me that worksheet. Okay, let's get started. We're going to use VBA code, so we are going to have to click on the developer tab, click on Visual Basic, click insert and more. Now write the code. If you need the code, please subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, I will send you the code. Okay, it's done, and click on the run button. Close this. You see the cell A1 it said index, and from cell A2 and up to A11 there are 10 links. Okay, clickable hyperlinks, and if I click sheet 1 it just moved to sheet 1. Okay, now if I click on sheet 2 it moves me to sheet 2, and you should have already got that we just created a new worksheet named index. Okay, and all those worksheet that was here is still available. Okay, we had 10 worksheet and we have all of them here, and the new worksheet has created in named index, and all the worksheet link is in column A. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you, thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.